Hey guys, I just got a package from Amazon. On a Sunday, no less. Sunday delivery by Amazon. Did you guys know that? I didn't know that. I mean, maybe I knew that, but... Well, anyway, this is the first time I got a package delivered by Amazon on a Sunday. So, yeah. Welcome to Modern Technology. Actually, they said that this item was available. I could have gone and picked it up at one of those Amazon centers, but it was free shipping, so I waited a couple days. But, you know, if you really wanted to. So that's actually a good sign, I think, because that way this thing must be a fairly popular item if you can just go grab it. Alright, so a little bit of packing material. Can always use that. So here's what we got today. We got the 10-inch streaming media rear view mirror FHD. This looks like it's been sitting on a shelf for a little while. Alright. Oh, it's made by CamPark. So why did I get CamPark, you're going to ask? Well, it's not the cheapest one. It's not the most expensive one. The most expensive one was like an Audio Vox or something like that, or an Auto Vox, I think it was called. And that was like $330, $400, something like that. That's crazy. This ended up being $83 after a 20% discount online, like a discount coupon. You clicked on it. And CamPark did the same thing with my little action cam, you know, GoPro knockoff too, the 20% off thing. So I kind of like that little GoPro, so I thought this would be I'll stick with the same brand name. Nice heavy box, solid. We'll keep the box. And there's your mirror. So this functions like a rear view mirror, and you can see it does have some reflectivity to it, and then this will be the 10-inch display as well. And here's the beauty of it. Let's take it out of here. You got the camera right here. So this attaches over top of the standard rear view mirror here via straps, which will be included, I assume. And then your camera will face forward, and this camera is adjustable so you can get just the right angle. It's not real smooth. And here there's some padding against the mirror, so if you ever decide you want to take it off. Okay, and here are the inputs are at the top of the mirror. I heard some people complain about this. Now, I don't know, once we get this mirror into place and we'll adjust it down, once I show you the installation video, I'll do that. So this is a US blah, blah, blah. That's your power source. This is an audio visual input. How interesting. This is where you would put a GPS receiver if you wanted to do that. I assume there's a navigation program on here, and then this is where your memory card's going to go. It's going to be a micro SD card, class 10 or higher, as recommended. Let's put that guy over there. See what else is in the box. All right, this is the important part. So this also comes with a backup camera, which is pretty cool because I have a backup camera on one of my cars and the other one I don't. And so here's your backup camera with a flimsy little mount. I assume that once we tighten these screws that'll prevent that from being so flimsy. Okay, it's a little bit deep. This is designed to be mounted outside of the car, but I'm going to mount mine inside, I believe. And also, what you can do is you can hook up one of these wires to the reverse lights. So when you hit reverse, it gets power. It flicks a switch inside the unit, the logic unit, and it tells this that it's a backup camera. So it would come on automatically. This will be the input on the mirror. That's your AV in right there. Okay. So where it says AV in, that's for your backup camera. So that's your audio visual in. However, you could put any video input source in for that. Here are the straps. So there's a couple different sizes, and they expand. So they'll go over the back of the rear view mirror. Also in here you've got some sticky two-way sticky tape for mounting the mirror, or mounting the rear view camera, which is what I'm going to use it for. The little clips. So there's little clips with some sticky tape on there, and then also you got this little thing. Now what's this for? Well, this would be for like going along the trim and tucking in the cables, so that you can hide the cables that are going to run through the car. I don't think I'm even going to bother with that, to tell you the truth. I think, well, I'll have to look, but I might just run the cord right down the headliner of the, the top liner of the car, down the center line. Or I might run it down the side. I'm not sure. We'll see how bad it looks. I'm not like taking people around showing them houses in my car or anything like that. So, all right. So this is the 12 volts lighter, 12 volt input, and then this end is the end that goes into the power source right here. Let's see, this way. So that's how you plug that in. This will go into your car's 12 volt adapter. And finally, one last thing. This should be either installation and also surprise gift. So if I share my experience, I can get a gift. I can get a GPS module. I can get an extended cable, so if I ever have like a big truck or SUV and need a longer cable to run to the backup camera, I can get that. I could get an SD card, but I can get those anywhere pretty cheap. Or I can get the hard wire kit so that I don't have to plug it into the lighter. But I don't know, maybe I'll get the GPS, maybe, I think. And then it says, here's how to write your review. So go on to the website, write the review, and then send away for it. Here's a book on how to install it. CamPark. I got a real kick out of the CamPark GoPro camera installation manual. It was so funny. Like, the English was just so bad. This this product is intended for using in motor vehicle only. Do not install a device where it might block the driver's view of road, including the mirrors. Well, that's the whole point. This thing goes over top of the mirror, right? Anyway, pretty funny. So, looks like it's got a little installation guide to tell you how to do that. I'll do a video and show you guys how to install this thing, and I'm going to show you how to do it without drilling any holes in your car, because I think that's what they're going to recommend to do when you install the rear camera. And yeah, I'm not drilling any holes in my vehicle. I'm not. All right, and then it's got the functions and everything. Okay, great. So that's the unboxing video, and yeah, so like I'm pretty jazzed about this. 10-inch screen, looks like pretty high quality, and oh, here's some more two-way tape, and there's some mounting screws. Okay, great. So maybe those little clips were for running the cable, but either way, I think we're in good shape here. So that's what you get for $83 after the 20% discount. I think it's listed on the website as $99.99. So 20% off plus tax and all that sort of jazz. So there's the CamPark 10-inch streaming media rear view mirror, also reverse camera. Yeah, when I get the other video up, I'll let you know. And I just want you guys to know that I appreciate you watching this video, and if you like the channel, please do. Please hit the subscribe button. That helps me make really great videos for you guys and help you guys out. So, yeah, so now you know what's in the box. And go out there and do something nice for somebody today because, man, it makes you feel good. And it'll probably help them feel good too. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Like, share, subscribe. Bang.